Good day everyone, my name is Pureny from SMK Buntong, Ipoh. Today, I am going to talk about an amusing book. The title of the book is DNA, the Master Molecule of Life. The author of the book is Darlene R. Steele. This book has 48 pages and it is published by Compass Point Books. This book is divided into a few sections. It talks about the master molecule of life, genes and DNA, the genetic code, RNA, and the protein factory. It also talks about the uses of DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid is what makes you the individual you are. No two people, except identical twins, have the same DNA profile. DNA is a chemical that exists in all living things. Children inherit their genes and thus DNA from their parents. Children's genes are a unique combination of genes from both their parents. Did you know that DNA was discovered in the mid-1800s, but no one knew what it was? Only about 3% of all human DNA codes for proteins. What is the purpose of the 97%? Scientists haven't discovered the purpose yet. So, what is needed to get someone's DNA? All that is needed is some hair, blood, saliva, and other cells. What is the use of DNA? Investigators use DNA profile to solve some unusual cases. For example, investigators tried to solve an old mystery involving Russia's former royal family, the Romanovs. However, the DNA test did not end the mystery. Now, let's talk about the difference between genes and DNA. DNA can be best thought of as a very long string-like structure, whereas genes are places or regions along a strand of DNA. Here is another amazing fact. Researchers estimate that DNA in human cell contains between 20,000 and 25,000 genes. Plus, our body cells contain about 1.8 meters of DNA. The DNA molecule is actually a double-stranded structure that is made up of pairs of nucleotides. Genes can mutate or change. The mutation begins when one of the 4 building blocks of the DNA is altered. There are 4 chemical bases in DNA. They are adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Another fact here. Genetic counselors are individuals trained in human genetics who help people cope with their genetic information. After reading this book, I have gained so much of knowledge about DNA and genetics. I am very curious to learn more facts about DNA in the future. Thank you.